Exercise 50. In the figure on the left, the unit circle is shown with an angle x measured from the positive x-axis. The terminal side of the angle passes through the point with coordinates negative 0.866, 0.5. What is the value of x in radians? Okay, so we can see that we have an angle x, the sine of which, because this perpendicular is the sine axis, no, it's the sine axis, the sine of this angle x is 0.5. This one only applies when x is either equal to 30 degrees or x is equal to 150 degrees. Obviously, since we are looking at an obtuse angle, this means that x is 150 degrees, and now we need to carefully convert that into radians. We know that 180 degrees is equal to pi radians, so 150 would have been how many radians? So let's do this proportion. 180 times x is 150 times pi, so x is 150 pi over 180. We can divide both by 30. It would have been 5 pi over 6, which means that the right answer here would have been C.